Every year during Visarjan, there are many trucks. Yellow trucks, green trucks, big trucks, small trucks, many trucks. And that means many black smoke. A lot of smoke, but not our truck. Hi, my name is Loki. I study at Vikramshila Navodisha School. Our truck for Visarjan wasn't just a truck. It was a Bahon. When our Bahon got our Pratima home, everybody watched. And when our Bahon went pandal hopping, everyone followed. People also took pictures and selfies with it. But how was such a big truck moving all by itself? I asked teacher miss and she said 8 Eveready batteries and a remote control made this possible. Our Bahon moved here to there without making any smoke. It was loved by everyone, and the best part, we got invited to the state's official Pujo Carnival. Big truck, us. Then again, big truck. Puchki was again jumping with joy, and this time I was too. Our Visarjan caused no pollution. All thanks to this Bahon.
Maka chica, 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 chica. Chicky miki, jum jum. Chicky miki, jum jum. Biki naki, chicky paki, dum dum. Maka chica, 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 chica. Chicky miki, jum.